Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Picsman AI for an honest review to see if it truly is the best AI for image and photo editing. Right off the bat, Picsman AI presents itself as an all-in-one online photo editor powered by artificial intelligence, promising to make complex edits simple and accessible for everyone. Now let's talk about the positives. The promise of one-click operations is incredibly appealing for social media creators, bloggers, or small businesses who need to produce high-quality images quickly. Features like the AI background remover, which claims to deliver precise cuts, and the AI enhancer, which aims to improve image quality and resolution, are the standout tools that could be real game changers. The ability to access this directly in a web browser without downloading any software is a significant advantage. The website also mentions new AI features regularly, suggesting the platform is evolving and adding more value over time. But of course, we have to look at the potential drawbacks. Since this is an online-only platform, a strong and stable internet connection is absolutely mandatory to use it, which could be a limitation for some users. The website, while informative, doesn't go into extreme detail about the limitations of its AI. There might be a subscription model for full access to all features, which is common but something to consider for those on a tight budget who might prefer a one-time purchase software. Picsman AI offers two main subscription plans to unlock its full potential. The monthly plan is priced at $9.99 per month, billed monthly. For the best value, the yearly plan breaks down to just $4.99 per month but is billed as a single annual payment of $59.99 per year, also included a 3-day free trial to Starbada. Both plans provide unlimited access to all AI features, exclusive design assets, exports without the Picsman logo, faster processing speeds, and include 2 GB of cloud storage. The subscriptions are continuous but can be canceled at any time, offering flexibility for the user. Thanks for watching and see you later.